Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Manor Saskatchewan is a small village located in the southeastern part of the province, not far from the Manitoba border. With a population of around 180 people, Manor offers a quiet and close-knit community atmosphere. The surrounding area is defined by open farmland, where wide fields and prairie skies create a landscape that feels both expansive and peaceful. The community was established in the early 20th century during the wave of prairie settlement. Manor was incorporated as a village in 1903. Like many small towns in Saskatchewan, its early development was closely tied to the arrival of the railway, which allowed farmers to ship grain and receive goods more efficiently. The railway played a central role in shaping the local economy and connecting the village to larger centers. Agriculture has always been the backbone of Manor's economy. Farmers in the area grow crops such as wheat, canola, and barley, and livestock farming is also common. Over the years, advances in farming technology have changed how the land is worked, but the importance of agriculture to the community has remained constant. The village continues to support the surrounding rural population with essential services and a sense of local identity. The history of the area also extends far beyond the arrival of settlers. Indigenous peoples lived on and traveled through this region for generations, relying on the land for sustenance and movement across the plains. This deeper history forms an important part of the story of southeastern Saskatchewan, even if it is not always visible in the modern landscape. Today, Manor remains a quiet and steady prairie village. It offers a glimpse into a way of life that is closely tied to the land, shaped by agriculture, and grounded in community. For travelers passing through, it provides a simple but meaningful look at the enduring character of Saskatchewan's rural heartland. Thanks for watching!